Hey, it's Avik and you're watching Technogen Infocom. Smartron was launched a new smartphone, that is Smartron SRT phone, on the price of 15,000 rupees. But with the new year 2018, the price become 50% off over the Flipkart on SRT phone. The phone becomes from 7,795 rupees. The Smartron company is basically a newly startup company with innovative idea on their different electronics product. The Smartron SRT phone is basically a tribute to Master Blaster Sachin Tendulkar from the Smartron company. So let's get the specification details of Smartron SRT mobile. The phone was launched with the signature of Sachin Tendulkar itself. It's made with aluminium metal on the backside, which gives you an elegant look, and on the front the glass gives you a premium look. The Smartron SRT phone is coming in grey color option only. The Smartron SRT phone coming in two variants with 4GB RAM and 32GB internal storage, which price might be 7,795 rupees over the Flipkart, and second one is same 4GB RAM with 64GB internal storage with price of 8,999 rupees over the Flipkart. All the link are given in description, you can buy from there. The Smartron SRT phone is coming with Snapdragon 652, that is 652 processor, which is a octa-core 1.8 GHz clock speed, and the GPU is Adreno 510. The Smartron SRT mobile is packed with 3000 mAh non-renewable battery. It also supports Qualcomm Quick Charge 2.0 version. In case of camera, the primary camera is 13 megapixel shooter with single LED flashlight. It has a aperture f2.0 and it also supports PDAF face focusing with BIS technology and autofocus. And the front camera is 5 megapixel wide angle selfie shooter. Both front and rear camera can shoot the video at 180p Full HD resolution. The Smartron SRT phone coming with 5.5 inch Full HD IPS LCD display. Resolution of the display is 1920 by 1080 pixel and the PPI is 401. Corning Gorilla Glass 3 are used as a display protection in SRT phone. Smartron SRT phone is coming in Android 7.1.1 Nougat. In case of network connectivity, the SRT phone is support dual micro SIM. Both the SIMs support 4G, but at a time single SIM can handle the 4G network. 2G, 3G are network also supportable. It also supports high quality VoLTE calls. Connectivity option included dual band Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi direct, Wi-Fi hotspot, NFC, Bluetooth 4.2 version. FM radio, USB type C charge connector is there, USB type C connector is there, and GPS is there. That's it. The phone has a 3.5mm headphone jack and active noise cancellation with dedicated mic. Sensor attached with the Smartron SRT phone are accelerometer, proximity sensor, ambient light sensor, digital compass, and the fast fingerprint sensor on the back side. The Smartron SRT phone available only over the Flipkart right now, and the 50% offer is going on. You can buy from the below link. So that's all. If you want to know more about the others mobile, then click on the top right corner and subscribe my channel and like my video. And thanks for the watching, guys. Have a good day. Bye bye. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notification while I upload a new video.